Hey guys, it's Devin from Adventures with the V's. On the last video we posted, we were going over our Natural Falls State Park trip to Colquitt, Oklahoma. While we definitely liked the waterfalls and some of the hiking, we did have some issues with basically it being full of poison ivy, extremely busy, and couldn't swim anywhere. They had their own ecosystem and they didn't allow any swimming, which we didn't know when we went down there. So we looked up some stuff and we left. So here's that video. I hope you guys enjoy it. We had an awesome time. All right, we got extremely lucky. We came to Devil's Den, which is another state park in Arkansas, and there was like zero parking lines everywhere, and we just happened to come around and one of the park rangers said, hey, there is a spot open. We had just gotten done parking and getting everything ready for Bob, and we were on the side of the road, and they told us, hey, you guys can't park there. Everyone's about to get ticketed. We ended up cruising this way, and lo and behold, ended up getting a spot. Lucked out. This is a big creek, really pretty. I'll get some more footage there, but we're gonna go splash around for a while. It's hot. Woo! How's it feel, Dave? Oh. What do you think, Mama? Hey. Bob! You won't.
Where's my fanny pack?
There's some baby birds. Tweet, tweet.
Come on, Mama!
Come on, Mama, drama.
It's slick. Alright guys, it's clay.
I got muddy.
It's cool in here, huh?
Smiling Bob, I was like this.
Feels nice in here, doesn't it?
Oh, you've been shy. Video your mud?
Yes.
Davey, show us your leg. Oh my goodness, what happened?
I fell on my cake. I got muddy.
Want it?
Did you injure yourself?
No, I'm alive.
Is that yummy?
Yes.
It's delicious.
Dad, do you want me to go up there and like slide down it?
No, absolutely.
Why?
I would like to see that after. If you can make it up there, just slide down there. You're gonna have that wedgie. Second of all,
I'm gonna fall and die.
yeah, it's so strong for us.
Even if you don't die, you might just break an arm.
You might break all kinds of bones.
I'm a mama drama in your mama face. I'm gonna try and skip Bob. Oh, did you guys just burn me? How dare you? Ow, you guys just burned me out again. That is Papa rude. Okay.
Here they come. Oh, there's a Bob. Hi, Bob. Come on, guys. Oh, she got you.
Walk under there. Hey. You want to drink some? Okay, yeah, we've been doing it for Davey, you sure?
How did you get up there?
Magic. You jealous?
They look tuckered out. The dogs.
And Bob.